romantic comedy ang Viva na aabangan nyo ngayong summer, ang Diary ng Pangit. Ang Diary ng Pangit ay base sa libro ni Have You Seen This Girl? At mapapanood na ito sa April 2. Tara silipin natin ang kanilang press con.
I know that super excited na sila, kaya heto na sila, everybody.
Kinikilig ako, itong epekto mo.
Well, actually po, it's my first time to be part of a movie. And, hindi ko po kilala yung cast before. Then, nalaman ko yung cast. I had the confidence to accept it and to enjoy it as well because I'm actually going to be acting with my best friends.
Nakarelate ako kasi we're both half Filipino and half British, doon pa lang po. And being one of she's one of the it girls in school. Ako naman when I was in high school, parang medyo almost there, but I was more focused on academics.
He's got the looks, the money, the popularity, but he has a bit of a personality problem. He's kind of a jerk.
Actually po, we're very pressured kasi marami pong fans yung book and yung expectations po nila malaki. Pero we're really thankful na kami po yung nakuha.
Kwento-kwento ka tungkol sa bagay-bagay. Pag-usapan namin natin tayo medyo bagay. Ngunit mabagal ka di mo maisipin sa bagay.
Marami pa kami ihatid sa inyo na ang Diary ng Pangit Specials. Dito lang sa Anong Ganap?